Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Freshies by Steffi. Today I got my order in from the Neon Daisy. I saw a post in one of our Freshie groups showing all the different colors of the new micas they had that was already made into a Freshie. And some of those colors were like just indisputably beautiful. And I was like, I need some new options because as much mica as I have, I get so tired of looking at the same thing. So I'm super excited to open this box. Let's see what's going on. All right, so I got my scissors. So let's open up this new package from Neon Daisy. I believe when I first started making Freshies, I had ordered from them in the beginning, but I couldn't tell you because I stopped ordering like different shape molds and started sticking with the cardstock. So, all right, you guys ready? I'm so excited. Let me move the camera over. Oh yeah, I got some glitters too. All right, let's see what we got. So we have some micas. I'm really excited about this teal. Let me pull them out. Let me see. Here's a purple rain. But yeah, look at this teal. I'm like super, I love teal. Uniquely teal. But yeah. We got Seaside Breeze. Let's see what else came in the package. This is my whole order. Okay, I did get a lot. I don't think I realized I got a lot. I didn't realize they'd be such big containers either. Like, it's not like it's full or anything, but I did not realize they'd be so big. Let's see how much. So this is 1 ounce. So you either can get a sample or a 1 ounce from my if I remember correctly. Oh, and that's gonna go everywhere. That's great. Yeah, so there's a lot of mica in there. So that's good. So 1 ounce is like plenty. Oh my gosh. One sec, you guys. All right, I'm back. So I needed a new gold glitter because I just did not like the gold that I had. So I don't know if you can see that. But there's a new gold. It looks exactly like what I was looking for because like the glitter I had before was kind of like dark. And then can't pinch this. I don't know why I got green, but it looks like it's going to be really cute. We'll see in a second. And then this blue, of course, is beautiful. And I get the chunky glitter. So this is 1.5 ounces. So it's basically a full bottle. You can't beat it for the price at all. I don't know why I thought the sizes were going to be smaller. So then, look at this cute little bag. Packaging is adorable. And then we have more mica, which is probably, yep, turquoise. Oh, sky blue. I'll have to post the post that I saw that showed me what the colors look like. I got this for my Baltimore O's Freshies. Western Wonderland, always looking for a good green. And this electric pink. I have like 3 neon pinks, but I had to try it because it is cute. So let's see what we got. So here's a better look at all the micas and some of the new glitters that I got from Neon Daisy. Like I said, the containers, they're 1 ounce of mica and they're huge. There's plenty of mica in there. So this is good news. All right, you guys, that wraps up us unboxing my newest order from the Neon Daisy, which by the way, I put in that order like 4 days ago. I feel like I literally just put the order in and I already got it on a Saturday, same week. So amazing work. Whatever you guys are doing over there, it's working, and more power to you and helping and providing for the Freshie community. I will smell you guys later with part 2 and show you how the mica powders work out.